Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you how to transfer data from your old iPhone to your iPhone 17. To do it comfortably, at first what I recommend doing is to do it like during the setup process. If you did the setup, do a factory reset and do it after me. At first you need to know this language, select the language, your own language, select your region, and wait, you have to do the setup process like normal process. Appearance, here as you can see, bring current iPhone or iPad near your iPhone to sign in into your Apple account and get a sign up here. We do have our iPhone 12, which is unfortunately turned off. Wait a moment, I need to turn on my old iPhone. Here it is, and let me open here now. As you can see, our iPhone is looking for new devices. We do have setup new iPhone. Tap continue and enter your passcode on the phone. Waiting for other iPhone. Now you need to scan this blue circle. Wait a moment, I can't really lower the button, but here you will see this blue circle, and you need to just scan. As I can see on the camera, we could see this circle. Getting things ready, and the only thing you need to do is to wait till your phone setups completely, actually. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.